Here's how you can add a what3words address field to your BigCommerce checkout. Before you start, make sure you're using Stencil theme and have optimized one-page checkout enabled. In your BigCommerce store, go to Settings in the left-hand panel. Scroll to Advanced and choose Account Sign-up Form. Go to Address Fields, click Create a new field and choose Text Field. In Field Name, write what3words address and save the field. Once the plugin is installed, this text field will become what3words enabled. Go to Apps in the left-hand panel and choose Marketplace. Open the BigCommerce app Marketplace. Search for what3words and get the app. Log into your BigCommerce store to install what3words. Click Install, then Confirm. Sign up or log into your what3words account. Click Get an API key. Choose a plan. Name your project. Then click Generate API key. This is your API key. Click Back to Plugin Site to go back to BigCommerce. Click Launch, then select the API key you just created. Scroll down to Configure Basic Features and click Save Settings. The what3words address field is now live in your checkout page.